Okay, guys, this is Wisdom Forex. Wisdom Forex. You see, I am on this trade, a hero card. You see, I'm running a profit of 1,320 something. You understand? So, I want to guide you guys through how I was able to uh, get these entries. You understand me? Let's look at it. What happened is here is that firstly we got to understand the direction that the market is going. We need to understand uh, structure, change of structure. Understand? We need to understand when the market is buying, when the market is changing structure. We understand break of structure. We also understand change of structure. There's a time that the market will have a break of structure, and there's a time that market will have a change of structure. So if we are to mark this chart, um, but I would not like to go deep to marking of the chart. I want to just show you why I was able to pick this trade. Let's just bring up this trend line and see what do we have here. Let's look at what we have here. What do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? Let's see. What's up, Mara? What's up, Mara? In a very simple thing, how I was able to get these entries. A very simple thing. Okay, now you see, I just finished drawing this trend line. As you can see, looking at the chart from down here, you can see the market was buying. Market was buying from that point where you have seen the green line here. That was a support. The market was buying up a long time. It has zone rejection. Uh, it now rejected towards this level, and with that is we can see now break of structure. You can now see break of structure after it reverses from that green line. It still buys above that green line initial high, which is now we call a break of structure. Yes, but we're not going to go into that, but we're going to look at change of structure. Yes, sir. So you see, there are different types of uh, trading, but whatever you are trading and whatever you're trading, you need to understand what is happening with the trend. So if you don't understand what is really happening in the trend, you can never get it right. Now, what I saw before I picked this trade, you see the trend line when the market hit here, it also hits the second line here and hits the third one here up here. I look at the market, I saw that the market was rallying up, but what I did was that I waited for the market to break from that trend line. When it break out from the trend line, I still waited for the market to did what, retest that trend line. As you can see, the market when it breaks from the trend line here, when it breaks from here, it break out from the trend line here, and you see at this point the market still buys up and tests the trend line. So when the market tests the trend, remember when you are buying, we said it is a long buy, a short sell, a long buy, a short sell. That is when the market is on in the real uptrend. But when the market is about to sell, number one, the market is going to break the trend line and retest the trend line again. After retesting this trend line, we start having what we call a long sell, a short buy, a long sell. We are going to be having a short buy, long sell, which shows that we have entered into what we call a strong sell trend, bullish, bearish trend. Then bullish trend is a strong buy, short sell, strong buy, short sell. But a bearish trend is a long sell, a short buy, a long sell. Then the change of structure that we are talking about, it is when the market changes the face from bullish trend to bearish trend. So before it changes to bearish trend, most times we have different types of W formation that will form at the high of the day, but we're not going to go get into that. But we just need to understand that a long buy, which we had a long buy, a short sell, long buy. But before, when the market now decide to start on the sell, and you're going to have market break out from the buy trend, which is not going to buy again, but it will buy again to retest the trend line. mm, to buy again to retest this trend line. You see, he sold out of the trend line, and he still bought to test trend line before he now started what, a long sell. That's why you see this short buy, a long sell. So when this happens, I saw market breaking out and retesting, and it did a long sell. I waited for a short buy. When the market did a short buy, I had to enter with the candle confirmation and every stuff from this point. You see the rejection here, so I enter from here a sell. That was why you see this market is going this way. But we are anticipating the market to get to, let me show it to you. I am anticipating the market to get to this level. Let me see. Okay, this level here. Mm, you can see that we have rejections in these levels. We have rejection here. We had here, you understand, and here, and even here. We had rejection there. We had rejection here. We had rejection here. So now, remember, this was a resistance line. So the market was rejected on the resistance line, but later it had to break out from the resistance line. That makes the resistance line now become support. So we are now anticipating for the market to come to this line, this level, before we look forward to buy the market. Remember, we will not just buy the market, we are going to consider the trend. Because forex market is just very simple. Whatever setup you have, whatever setup that you have, it must correlate with the trend for you to have, for you to make that money that you are looking forward. You need to understand, there are things you need to understand that the trend is your friend. In a situation that you place trade 0.01, and you see 0.01, the least loss has run you losses of $5, running you losses of $2, it means you have not gotten it right. 0.001, the least loss has given you losses. So, but the knowledge is very simple. Get to understand, very simple, that the trend, we are not flipping accounts. A good trader grows accounts. You can ask that from Tapo Willis. Investment, his investment is 1 year investment, because in 1 year he's going to only look for market that correlate with the trend, and he's going to make massive money. All right, guys, this is Wisdom Forex Academy. I'll keep holding this market till when it gets to support, then I'll be looking forward to buy, as long as the trend will correlate with the buy setup that I'll be having. All right, bye bye.